Hi everyone, I'm back with my Junk Journal January 2025 challenge, and today I will be working on balance. So yeah, for that I will be working on this page, and as it's all plain, so I have decided to use distress oxide peacock feather and distress oxide speckle leg for doing the background. So I'm going to use the challenge balance as part of my focal element. So background I'm going to keep as simple as possible so that it can pop my focal element. So let's get started. Okay, so it's pretty much dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use peacock feathers and going to add this Moroccan pattern stencil onto the page just to add a little bit more texture. So yeah. Okay, I'm very happy with how it is looking. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to use this color and I'm going to give an edge to the page. Alright guys, so this is the background. Considering like I have given it a balance of all the colors and a balance of this texture pattern, and now it's time to add my focal element, which is going to be this, like this. So I think it's looking very nice. Yeah, so let me just try to add it to the page. All right, so here's the complete page and here's the close-up. Loving how all the elements have come together and the choice of colors is helping pop these hearts, and the orientation of it is pertaining to the challenge of balance. So I think I have done good justification to this page. If you liked it, I hope you like it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave comments below, share with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.